Sanibona bafethu uvane sports lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngodaba leSuperSport United. Yebo ngizwe ubuhlungu uma ngibona iSuperSport United iperforma kanje. Ngifikele ubuhlungu uma ngibona iSuperSport United iperforma kanje. Right now basathana ukuxosha ucoach wabo uKevin Hunt. Akuxosheni kwabo uKevin Hunt iqembu lile ezantsi lisengcupheni lokuthi liyele ku-NFD. Masikhuluma ngeSuperSport asikhulumi noma ingayiphi team. Yabo asikhulumi ngamaZulu, asikhulumi ngeChippa United, asikhulumi ngeGolden Arrows. We are talking about iSuperSport United, iclub esekhiqize, iclub esiproduce abadlali abaningi abaseqopheleni eliphezulu. Many players esibabonayo kwiBetway Premiership abashayinayo today kwiBetway Premiership basuka kwi-development yeSuperSport United. Many players. Yabo mengithi many players, I'm talking about the likes of Osuna Police, the likes of Tito Maswangai, the likes of Tebogo Mokoena, the likes of Talent Mbata, the likes of Keegan Johannes, the likes of Tapelo Masego, the likes of Aubrey Modiba, the likes of Grant Kekana, the likes of Sipho Mbule, the likes of Ronan Williams, the likes of Rasebocha, the likes of Ikram Reyners. Many of those players came from iSuperSport. Many of those players basuka kuSuperSport United. Into engenza ngixeke ngempela ukuthi yini eyenza iSuperSport United ingaperform. Yini eyenza iSuperSport United ibadedele labadlali. To be honest, iSuperSport United kumele abe ne-star right now. iSuperSport United kumele abe inama-league titles amaningi. Yebo, kumele abe inama-league titles amaningi. iSuperSport United maningi ama-cups eyewawina. Maningi ama-cups eyewawina iSuperSport United. Mase siye nje back ko-2016, 2017, back to 2009, 2010, labo 2007 lapho SuperSport ayishisa ngempela because they knew how to make a winning team. They knew how to form a winning team. They didn't rely on selling ama-star players abo. Yabo, even though they sold few star players back then, but yabona iSuperSport yamanje ayifani iSuperSport yakudala. iSuperSport yakudala yabo kwakuyiteam oyisabayo. Yabo muzo approachana muzodlala nje neSuperSport wazi kahle uzoba nenkinga because i-team yabo, i-team angazi kwenzakalani noma mhlawumbe kwashintshwa ikhulu noma kwenzakalani singesazi bafethu. Yabo one information angitshela ama-comments because I fail to understand how can you release a player like Osuna Police. How can you release a player like Osuna Police umnyekele nje ahambe kanjalo? How can you release a player like Tito Maswangai umnyekele nje ahambe aye kwiloni ku-Orlando Pirates? Umdlalo njengoTalent Mbata. iSuperSport United right now, iSuperSport United right now isenkingeni, ile ezantsi. Abantu abaningi bahlezi bethi there's a rival between iSuperSport United neMamelodi Sundowns. There is no rival between iMamelodi Sundowns neSuperSport. Should be told nje bafethu. Singaloku isigoqana siyale nale. There is no rival. There is no rival nje lapha. Yebo, mekuyodlala iTshwane Derby. iTshwane Derby ayisahithi njengale ndlela eyihitha ngakhona kudala. Yabo iTshwane Derby muzokuthiwa kuyodlala iTshwane Derby. Wawazi kahle ukuthi hayibo ekuyodlala ama-team ke lapho. Manje mekuyodlala iTshwane Derby siyazi iSundowns nje kuyodlala neSuperSport nje. Iyo-scout iSundowns ayili kuyodlala. Labadlali laba bazoyinikeza inkinga iSundowns. Mase kuphela isizini, iSundowns izohamba iyocosha lapha. iSundowns phela iyayicoshela kwiSuperSport United. And SuperSport United ihleli nje. Mina nawo umbuzo wami. Bonke labadlali laba engibabalile esebesukile kwiSuperSport, imali yokuthi balanda abanye iyaphi? Yonke le mali leSuperSport eyithathayo from all of these transfers, where does this money go? Because I haven't seen any star players abadlala lapha. The only star player I saw iSuperSport improducer uShandre Campbell lo hambile wale kwiClub Brugge, and imali yakhe nayo futhi angiboni isebenza kabi. Yini into eseke yayenza imali yakhe lo mfana lo uShandre Campbell? Angazi noma isikhulisayo yini iSuperSport noma yini, but kukhona into kumele ishintshwe lapha. yabo. Asifuni ukubona ama-team akanje. Ama-team anje ngo-SuperSport United ibona ama-team enza le league le ibe lula, yabo. Ibona ama-team enza le league le ibe lula. Why ungabagcina abadlali bakho ubabonayo ukuthi labadlali labo banginikeza ithuba lokuthi ngiyiwine ileague, banginikeza ithuba lokuthi ngiyiwine icup? Why ungabagcini ubahlalise eteamini yakho? Yes, mhlawumbe abadlali bangafuna ukuhamba bayodlalela i-team enkulu, but try and pay abadlali according to their market value. Yebo, ubakhokhele kahle abadlali uthi azini ngizokukhokhela kahle na imali, because baningi abadlali abadedelayo. Njengoba baningi abadlali abadedelayo, why ungazami ukugcina labo nabo bama-star players ubakhokhele imali enkulu? Yebo, right now i-team iyale ezansi, kube kuyinhlanhla futhi ingarelegateanga. Yebo, bahambisa uKevin Hunt right now. Nayo uKevin Hunt, I feel like nayo uKevin Hunt unomthelela kule nto leyo ukuthi SuperSport iperform badly kanje. Naye nje, yebo, ukuba khona kwakhe kunomthelela. How can you release a player like Talent Mbatha? A player like Tito Maswanga. Talent Mbatha wayengasitholi kakhulu ischeme lapha. Yebo, wayengasitholi kakhulu ischeme. The likes of uThapelo Maseko. uThapelo Maseko kwakumele umgcine lapha. uThapelo Maseko bafezi okumele agcine ku-SuperSport. Ngezwe kuthiwa wadayiswa ngo-20 million. 20 million yayaphi leyo mali? Imali yaThapelo Maseko yayaphi imali yaThapelo Maseko? Right now ama-team engiwabonayo eshisa ku-Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates, i-Sundowns ne-Steelers, maybe nayo Kaizer Chiefs number 4. Yebo, amanye ama-team angiwaboni and kumele ngabe sinayo i-SuperSport lapha. Kwakusangcono kusakhona i-Bidvest, because enye yama-team leyo eyayinikeza inkinga ama-team aphezulu. Yebo, ama-team lawa asatshwa ngempela yayiwanikeza inkinga. Kusakhona uBloemfontein Celtic, yebo, ama-team akanjalo Ajax Cape Town yayisamnandi nge-Betway i-Premiership lapho. But now SuperSport United babenswembu kudala, manje sebededela nje ama-star players abo kanjalo kalula kanjalo. Hayi bafethi kuningi kumele kushintshwe ku-Betway Premiership, kuningi impela kumele kushintshwe. I-structure nje se-SuperSport United kumele siyibone inkinga. Mina ngokwami ukudedelwa kwala ma-star players lawo kwangamele kuze kwenziwe, even though babengawona ama-star players at that time, but you can spot umdlalo odlalayo, you can spot a talent, you can spot a talent from afar. Maybe mhlambe like i-technical staff ye-SuperSport iyona engekho right. Maybe let's say technical staff ye-SuperSport ayikho right, they can't spot the talent. Maybe they need to appoint new technical staffs and technical directors to point out with no man, we cannot release that player because that player help us in this and this. That player helps us in this and this and this and this. You see, you cannot just release abadlali abazokusiza. No man, no. Angizwa kahle nje lento le. Angifuni uqamanga. Angifuni nje uqamanga. Bakwazi ukugcina uRobler. Bakwazi ukugcina uRobler. Mnyaka imngana mhlawumbe wangitshela ama-comments banganga abadlali osekwababona besuka kwi-SuperSport beyojoina i-Sundowns noma beyojoina amanye ama-club abama-star players from i-SuperSport. Wangitshela ama-comments over Sports le bafike ngiyabonga ngisaphathe nginayo yona. Ngithe nje awusi ngiyikhiphe nje esifubeni le ndaba le. Ayingihlali kahle indaba ye-SuperSport bafethu ade ngeproducer abadlali abantswembu. Kumele abe ne-star manje se-Champions League. Sundowns yenza kahle Africa, ilanda abadlali kuyona le. Abadlali bayaperforma kahle kubafana bafana. Abadlali be-SuperSport United, yabo, I'm not saying abadlali bayo because yabo basu, no man. I-Sundowns phela yabathenga, i-Pirates yabathenga, amanye ama-team abathenga abadlali, but why babadedela? Awucanga nje i-Pirates isidedela umfuking ayojoina i-Sundowns like that. Ngekuyibona le nto yenzeka. Yabo, i-SuperSport ine-small club mentality. Into engayazi nje, engayi-understand. Le mali abayidedelayo iyenzani? Kumele abe phela yabo i-cultivate elinye i-talent elizosiza i-team. You cannot just release umdlali nje maso ungenayo i-replacement yalo mdlali. Yabo, uma uzorelease umdlali kumele ube nayo i-replacement, kumele ube nayo i-backup. Awuvesane nje urelease umdlali ungenayo i-backup, ayenzeki kanjalo. Uma uzomdayisa lo, go and find i-backup quickly. Simple as that. Yabo, Simple as that. And i-backup ezomatcha nalo mdlalo omdedelayo, i-backup equality ezosiza i-team, hayi i-backup ezovela ifail nje. Yebo. Ngiyabonga for i-support enginayo yona over nesports lo. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ulike. Ngiyabonga.